Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about an app in which you can learn anything like Python, C++, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, any programming language which you want to learn, you can learn from it. You do not need a computer or laptop to learn or code. You can do the practical in this app. You can just type the code in this app and you will get the output which you will see after typing the code in computer or laptop. So you will simply learn programming by your phone. Any programming language which you want to learn, either it's a high language programming language, high level programming language, or anything else which you want to learn, you can simply learn from it. So this is a app which is a best app for learning programming, because its course layout is best for all. Because here you will see some questions after doing a course. Here this course is not like a video lecture course or anything else. You have to just learn by yourself. You have to just read the context and understand it, and then give answer to some questions. So now let's talk about this app. So let's start this video. So you have to just go to the Play Store and simply search SoloLearn. So SoloLearn is a free platform to learn anything. So here you will see all the apps of SoloLearn. Like if you want to learn Python, you have to install this app. If you want to learn SQL, you have to install this app. And there is a app like learning HTML, CSS, C++, learn Java, learn JavaScript, PHP, learn C, CSS, and there are many apps like learn programming language with Swift, learn Ruby. Like I have installed an app like learn HTML. So open this app. So here, this is the official app of SoloLearn. Here you will see all the courses. This is like learning a programming language, like playing a game. You do not have to buy a subscription. When you get points, like I have just halfway. There are 44 lessons. I have completed 27 lessons. These are the basic lessons like 1.1, 2.1. These all are the lessons, and the course layout is best, because when you start a lesson, you have to simply understand the context. Like HTML is a hypertext markup language, and here also you have a paragraph tag. You can also try some coding, like when you, like this is a code. Also you can type the code here and you see the output here. Like I am a paragraph. This is a paragraph tag in HTML, and you can see the output here. You can also type some other code, and when you click on run, you will see the output. So also you can save your file for future. So this course is a combination of interactive quizzes and exercise to facilitate speed and quality learning. So when you continue, you will have some questions which you have to answer, like what does a markup language use to identify context. So it is the tags. When you answer a question, also there are comments which are related to this question. So this is the next question, like the web structure. This is the next lesson. You can search, like HTML is a structure, CSS is a presentation, JavaScript is a behavior, PHP or similar is a backend, CMS is a content management. And now here is a second question: rearrange the code to surround the text. I am learning HTML on SoloLearn. So this is a paragraph tag. You have to just check your answer.
Want to stay updated with current affairs but don't have time?
If you do not buy this premium version of this app, you have to see ads after every lesson. Also you will get challenges. You have to complete the challenges. When you complete the challenges, the next lesson will open automatically. So you can learn anything, any language from it. You will type here, you will get points when you complete a course. Also there are some leadership boards. Like if you want to learn with your friends, you can follow your peers, you can join with your friends and check their points. You can check the points in global, who is the number one in global position. The leadership board discussion, you can post any question and get any answer. Also there is a code, you can write new codes. There is a community where you can practice the things, so you can learn from it. It's the best app to learn anything. Java, C++, HTML, you can learn any programming language. So it's the best app according to me. So guys, okay, if you like the video, then please subscribe my channel Success Tools and share this video. Thanks.